Solve from المتميز book revision in this month, February month. Look at with me about question number 1. Space is the number above the bar in fraction. We called it numerator. Such that 3 over 5. 3 we called it numerator. And 5 we called it denominator. Then the result will be here. You must write numerator. Choose letter P. About this example. Okay, we called it what? Numerator. The number below the bar in the fraction, we called it denominator. Choose letter C. Question number 3. Space here is the fraction has numerator of 1. We called it unit fraction. Unit fraction is the fraction has numerator of 1, such that 1 over 3. 1 over 3 we called it unit fraction because numerator is 1. 1 over 3 we called it unit fraction. Then you must choose letter E. Question number 4. Space fraction is the fraction its numerator less than denominator. We called it proper. Such that 3 over 5. 3 less than 5. Then we called it proper. The fraction its numerator less than denominator, we called it proper. Question number 4, write proper. Next question, number 5, the fraction. If the fractions here, its numerator more than denominator, such that 6 over 5, we called it improper. Okay. 3 over 9 is, we called it what is proper. Is a proper because 3 less than 9. We called it a proper fraction. We called it proper. Question number 7. 9 over 9 or 9 over 5, we called it improper. Because numerator greater than denominator. 1 over 5 is a unit fraction. 1 over 5 is a unit fraction. We called it unit fraction because we have one numerator. We called it unit fraction. 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5 plus 2 over 5, we can write 5 in numerator. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5. Then the result will be 5 over 5, it will be 1. Next example, 5 over 7, we can write it 1 over 7 plus 2 over 7 plus 2 over 7. Okay. Next example, 3 over 7. Space, a unit fraction, we can write 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7. 19 over 7, we can convert from improper to mixed number, right? 7. 2 product by 7 equal 14. 14 plus 5 equal 19. We can convert to mixed number. We have 5 and 2 over 3 mixed number. Convert from mixed number to improper, right? 3. 3 product by 5 equal 15. 15 plus 2 equals 17. Then the result will be 17 over 3. We called it improper fraction because numerator greater than denominator. We mix this number we convert from mixed number to improper. 3 times 5 equal 15. 15 plus 2 equals 17. Next question 14. Which fraction equivalent to over 3? 2 over 3 equivalent to what here? If we product 3 numerator and numerator, product by 3 here, the result will be 6 over 9. Which fraction equivalent 3 over 6? We know 3 half of 6, then the result will be 1 over 2. Call 3 divided of 6. Which of the following is the greatest? The greatest will be 1. 1 is the greatest number because we have 6 less than 8 and 6 here less than 9 and 6 less than 100. Then 1 is the greatest number here. 1 whole number, we can write it 100 over 100 or 9 over 9 or 8 over 8. Question 17. Which of the following is the greatest? 1 again is the greatest, but we have here 13 over 12. We can convert it from improper to mixed number. Then we have 1 times 12 equal 12 and the remainder 1, because 13 divided by 12 equal 1 and the remainder 1. Or 1 times 12 equal 12, 12 plus 1 equal 13. This number greater than 1. Then 13 over 12 is the greatest number. You must choose letter C about this example. Now we will solve question 18. Space any improper fraction greater than 1. Any improper fraction greater than 1. Okay, such that 6 over 5, we called it improper greater than what? Greater than 1. Any proper fraction proper less than 1, such that 3 over 5, we called it proper. Any proper fraction less than 1. 1 equal 100 over 100. Any number can divide by itself, it will be 1. Okay. Next example 21. 1 over 10 plus 2 plus 5 over 10. We can write here 2 outside, and we can eat the like denominator, write 10, and 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then you can write 2 and 6 over 10. You can sample this fraction by dividing by 2 numerator and numerator. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Then the result will be 2 and 3 over 5. Okay, or you can write here 2 and 6 over 10. Choose letter A about question 21. 2 and 6 over 10. Choose letter A. Next question. Any mixed number greater than 1. More than 1. Such that 3.5 is a mixed number greater than 1. Any mixed number greater than 1. Which of the following is a unit fraction? It will be 1 over 12. 1 over 12 is a unit fraction because we have 1 in numerator. Next example. Which of the following is an improper fraction? Improper, we have 23 over 8. We called it improper because numerator greater than denominator. Next question. Which of the following is mixed number? 1 and 6 over 12. It's a mixed number. Choose letter D. Question 26. 6 over 12 plus 1 over 2. 6 half of 12. Then we can write half plus half. The result will be what? Will be 1. Okay. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6. We can write 6 in the numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1 times 3 equals 3. We can eat them, write 6 in the numerator. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then you can sample this fraction by dividing by 2. Here, the result will be 2 over 3. Or you can write 4 over 6. Okay, choose letter B. 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7. We can write 7 in the numerator, and 3 plus 2, it will be 5. Space plus 2 over 9 equal 1. We can write here 9, and 7 plus 2 equal 9. 9 over 9, it will be 1. Then you must write 7 over 9 in the space. 10 over 10, it will be greater than 3 over 5 because 10 over 10, it will be 1, and 1 greater than 3 over 5. 1 greater than proper fraction. Okay. Which of the following represent a unit fraction? We have 1 over 10. Choose letter B. Question 32. Which number less than 5 over 8? Less than 5 over 8 here, what? We can write number where we have 5 over 7 and 5 over 10. We can write here 5 over 10, because 10 times 5 equal 50. If we do this properties, 10 product by 5 equal 50 and 8 times 5 equal 40, then 50 greater than 40. We use the here rule, the product of extremes about 10 and 5, and product of means will be 40, then 40 less than 50. Then you must write here 5 over 10. Okay, what is the fraction equivalent 6 over 12? We can sample this by divided by 6. 6 divided by 6 equal 1, 12 divided by 6 equal 2, then the result will be 1 over 2. We have 5 subtracted by 2 over 6. We can write 5 here, 4, and 6 over 6 subtracted by 2 over 6. We cancel 1 from 5, then 5 will be 4, and 1 equals 6 over 6. Subtract, write 4 outside, and 6 minus 2 equal 4. The result will be 4 and 2 over 3. It's the result about this example. Or you can write 4 and 4 over 6, choose letter D. Okay, again, 5 subtract by 2 over 6, you can write 4 and 6 over 6, subtract by 2 over 6, write 4, 6 minus 2 equal 4. Then you can sample it by divided by 2, 4 divided by 2 equal 2, 6 divided by 2 equal 3. You can write letter D. Next example, 35. 5 plus 6 over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 3. We can write 5 plus 3 equal 8. And 6 plus 2 equal 8, 8 over 10. You can write 8, and 8 over 10 you can sample it by divided by 2. Numerator and numerator, it will be 4 over 5. 8 divided by 2 equal 4, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then the result will be letter B, 8 and 4 over 5. The fraction which its numerator more than denominator, it will be what? More than denominator. It will be improper, such that 5 over 3. We called it improper. Okay. Choose letter C. The result will be letter C. Question 37. Space subtract by 2 and 1 over 5 equals 3 and 2 over 5. We can find this number. We call it the median. To find the median, you must add subtrahend to the difference. You must add two numbers to find the median here. I put x reverse to the median. We can find the value of x here by add two numbers, right? 2 and 1 over 5 plus 3 and 2 over 5. We can add them. 3 plus 2 equal 5 and 2 plus 1 equal 3. Then the result will be 5 and 3 over 5. Next question, 38. 8 and 1 over 6 plus space equal 10 and 4 over 6. We have 8 and 1 over 6 plus space equal 10 and 4 over 6. We can write here 8 plus 2 equal 10. 8 plus 2 equal 10. And we can write here 6. 1 plus 3 equal 4. Then the result will be 2 and 3 over 6. Okay, where 2 and 3 over 6, we can sample it again. This number, right? 2 and 3 half of 6 will be 1 over 2. Then you must choose letter D about question 38. Okay, choose letter D. We must write 2 and half. Okay, in the simplest form. Next question. Question 39. M plus 3 and half equals 6 and 8 over 12. Then the value of m equal, we can write 6 and 8 over 12, subtract by 3 and half. We can write 6 and here 8 and half we can write the least common multiplication between 12 and 2. It will be 12. 2 times 6 equal 12. 1 times 6 equals 6. 6 minus 3 equal 3. And 8 minus 6 equal 2. And then you can sample this fraction by dividing by 2 numerator and numerator. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Then the result will be 3 and 1 over 6, or 3 and 6. Next, question 43 and 6s plus 1, 3 6s. 3 plus 1 equal 4, and 3 plus 1 4, 4 over 6. You can sample this by divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Which of the following closer to 1? We have number greater than the half and nearest to 1. We're letter D. 11 over 12 less than 12 over 12. Then 11 over 12 less than 1. It's nearest to 1. Okay, choose letter D. Question 42. 7 over 10 or 7 over 19. We have like numerator, then 7 over 10, 7 raised to 10, 7 raised to 10, but 7 and 19, we have the distance, long distance between them. Then 7 raised to 10, okay, it will be greater than. Or you can doing this properties. The product of extremes, 7 product by 10 will be 70. And 19 times 7, we product 9 product by 7, it will be 63. Write 3 and carry up 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Okay. Then this number will be greater than. Or you can do in the rule. Okay. Question 34. 12 over 10 is greater than 1. Because 12 over 10 we called it improper. Any improper greater than 1. Or you can convert this number from proper to mixed number. 12 divided by 10 equal 1 and remainder 2. Then 1 and 2 over 10 greater than 1. Next question. 5 is greater than 1 and 3 over 8. Because 5 greater than 1. 9 over 10 less than 1. Because 1 we can write 1 here. 10 over 10. 9 over 10 less than 1. 1 equal 10 over 10. Because 7 or 9 over 10 is less than 1. 9 over 10 we call it proper. Any proper number or any proper fraction less than 1. Okay, any proper fraction less than 1. Choose this, then choose letter P. 7 over 10 equal 70 over space 7 product by 10 equals 70. Then 10 times 10 equal 100. Next question. Space over 6 equal 1 over 2. We have half 3, half of 6. Next example. 4 over 6 equal space over 24. We can product by 4 here. 4 product by 4 equals 16. Then we must write 16 here because 6 times 4 equals 24. 4 times 4 equals 16. Write 16 is space. 0 less than 9 over 7. 7 over 9. 2 over 3 or 3 over 5. We know 3 times 3 it will be 9. And 5 times 2 equals 10. Then we must choose this sign. 6 over 10 and 3 over 5. We can sample this fraction by divided by 2 numerator and numerator. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then it's equivalent. Write equal to. Which of the following closer to half? closer to half, then numerator greater than half of the numerator, or less than half of the numerator, such that what, 6 over 11? Yes, because half of 11 it will be 5.5, and 6 nearest to half of 11. Choose letter A. Okay, 1 plus 5 over 7, we can write 1 and 5 over 7 behind it, and then you can convert this fraction here. Okay, choose letter D. Letter D. Choose letter D. 7 over 7 product by 2 over 7. We can divide it. 7 divided by 7 1. 7 divided by 7 1. 1 product by 2. 1 product by 7. Then the result will be what? We can write 2 over 7, or you can find the product between numerator and numerator. You won't find the result. Don't write in the simplest form, because in this choosing here you won't write what, 7 times 7 49, and 2 times 7 equal 14. So you must write 14 over 49, where we have 7 over 7 product by 2 over 7. It's exactly 2 over 7. Okay, 7 over 7, it will be 1. Then the result will be 2 over 7 again. You can write 2 over 7. Choose here 2 over 7. Choose letter A. Choose letter A about this example. Okay, understood. Choose letter A. Next question. 55. We have 3 over 5 plus 3 over 5 plus 3 over 5, 3 over 5. How many parts? 4. You can write 5 down. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3 equal 12. Then the result will be 12 over 5. 12 over 5, you can write here two mixed number. 2 times 5 equal 10, and the remainder 2. Or you can write 5 and write outside 4 product by 3 over 5. You can write 3 over 5 product by 4. We have 1, 2, 3, all of them. Choose letter D. All of them are 2. Next question, 56. 3 product by 1 over 5. We can write 5 in the numerator. 3 times 1 equals 3. And the result will be 3 over 5. 3 over 5 product by 1. 3 product by 1 over 5. We can use a commutative properties here. Write 3 over 5 product by 1. You can replace 3 times 1 equal 3. 3 over 5 times 1 equal 3 over 5. Then you must choose letter A. Question 57. 5 over 7 and 3 over 5, we can combine. 3 times 7 equal 21. 5 times 5 equal 25. Then 25 is greater than 21. Next question. Which of the following closer to 0? Closer to 0, it's meaning numerator less than. We have here less than the half and nearest to 0. We have 2 over 12 nearest to 0. Why? Because 2 over 12 greater than 1 over 12 greater than 0 over 12, and 0 over 12 equals 0. Then 2 over 12 is nearest to 0. But half, it's meaning 6 over 12. We have 6 over 12. We have 3 over 12, 4 over 12, 5 over 12. We have long distance between 2 over 12 and 6 over 12. Then you must write 2 over 12. Okay. And what about 6 over 0 undefined? Any number can divide it by 0? No, we can't find this number. It's undefined. Okay. 6 over 0 undefined. Next question. 3 over 7 or 9 over 7. We have like denominator. 3 less than 9. Okay. Question number 1, complete. 1 over 10 plus space equals 7 over 10. We can add here 1 over 10 plus 6 over 10. It will be 7 over 10. Okay, because 1 plus 6 equals 7. 5 subtract by 3 sixes. We can write 5 here, 4 and 1 equals 6 over 6. Subtract by 3 and 1 over 6. And then 4 minus 3 equal 1, and 6 minus 1 it will be 5, and write 6 in the numerator. The result will be 1 and 5 over 6. Next question. Space over 8 equal to, we can write 16 because 16 divided by 2 equal 8. Write 16 in the space. Next example. Number 4, 1 and 1 over 5 plus 4 and 4 over 5. 4 plus 1 equal 5, and write 5 here. 4 plus 1 equal 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Then the result here it will be 6. The benchmark of the fraction 1 over 6 is nearest to 0. Okay, because 1 over 6, we have long distance between half. 1 over 6 here, we have 0. Okay, and half and 1. Half, it will be 3 over 6. Okay, and 1, it will be 6 over 6. Then 1 over 6 nearest to 0 over 6, it will be 0. But we have here 2 over 6. We have 2 over 6 between 1 over 6 and 3 over 6 half. A long distance between them. Then 1 over 6 nearest to 0. Okay, then 1 over 6, the benchmark of 1 over 6, it will be 0 because 1 over 6 nearest to 0. And we have long distance between over 6 and half and 1. Okay, it's nearest to 0. Then the benchmark of the fraction 6 is, it will be 0. To subtract by third, again. We can write 2 here, 1 and 3 over 3. Subtract by 1 over 3 by 1 over 3. Okay, convert from whole numbers to mixed number. Write 1 outside and 1 equal 3 over 3. And then we can write 1 outside and 3 down here. 3 minus 1 minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1 equal 1. And the result will be 1 and third. Okay, understood. Next example, 3/8. 3/8, it will be 3 over 8. 3/8. 3/8. Question 8, 3 and 4 over 5 as an improper fraction. We can write this number. We have mixed number. Write 5 in the numerator. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 4, it will be 19. We can write 19 over 5 as an improper fraction. The number of unit fraction which form 3 over 8, we have 3 because 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8 equal 3 over 8. Then the result here about question number 9, the number of unit fraction which form 3 over 8, it will be 3. The result will be 3. Write 3 here. Okay, in the space write 3. Understood? Question number 10, 1 over 10 plus 2 plus 6 over 10. We can write 2 whole numbers, and 6 plus 1 equals 7. Then the result will be 2 and 7 over 10. Okay. Question number 11. 7 over 12 is closer to the benchmark at what? We know 7 over 12 greater than 6 over 12, and 6 over 12 it will be half. Then 7 closer to half. The result will be what? Half. By using benchmarks. Okay, 7 over 12 there is 2 half, or closer to half by using benchmark. 1 over 3 less than 1 over 2. Okay, 1 over 3 less than 1 over 2 because we have here like numerator. 26 over 7 is called what? We called it improper fraction. Is an improper fraction. Is an improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. Next example, 10 over 10, it will be 1. 10 divided by 10, it will be 1. 5.5, we can convert for mixed number to improper. 2 times 5 equal 10, 10 plus 1 equal 11. Then you can write 11 over 2. 2 plus 1 plus 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5. 2 plus 1 equal 3. And 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5, we can add them. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 5 divided by 4, 1. 1 plus 3 equal 4. Then the result will be 4. 1 plus 3 fourths. We can write 1 and 3 over 4. 1 subtract by 3 fourths. We can convert 1 here, 4 over 4, like denominator here, and then find the difference between them. 4 minus 3 equal 1, then the result will be 1 over 4. Next example, question 19, 4 times tenses. We can divide it by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. 1 product by 2, 2, and write 5 in denominator. Result will be 2 over 5. 4 plus 2 sixes, we can write 4. And 2 over 6, 2 divided by 2, 1. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. And then you can write 4 answered. This is the result about question 20. Next example, question 21. 4 over 5 equal 28 over what? We know 4 product by 7 equal 28, and then 5 product by 7 equals 35. Then we must write 35 here in denominator. Next question, 2 and 3 over 9, 8, 2, 3 and 2/3. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominator here. It will be 9, or you can write simple this fraction. 3 divided by 3 equal 1, 9 divided by 3 equal 3. And then you can add them. 2 plus 3 equal 5, and write 3 in the numerator. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. And the result will be 6 about this example. Next question, question 23, 19 over 3 as mixed number, write 3. 3 product by what? Equal number nearest to 19. 3 times 6 equal